Hi, my name is Viktor Kulakov. I joined Ronovationz just over 5 years ago, and I believe it was one of my best decisions of my lifetime. I believe in investing time, investing in yourself, in personal development, in personal growth. Joining Ronovationz was a strategy that I wish I started years back. Because it allows me to stop trading time for money and invest in property so that I can be financially free, so that I can enjoy doing things I enjoy doing, spend more time with the family, and also live a life of legacy, help others. That's why I joined Ron, and he's a great mentor. I went from just under 100,000 that I had in savings to a multi-million-dollar portfolio and counting. So why would a person not want to invest smartly in their life and enjoy life better? The best thing anyone can do is to do a little bit of research, find out what their goals and expectations of life are. And if that's what you want to do, then come meet with one of the coaches who are very qualified, who are experienced, who are themselves having multi-million-dollar portfolios. They've done it, they know the stuff, and they can help you also achieve what you want to achieve in life.